Hey guys,
Whatever my
today
boomerang
I'm
lands
gonna
on,
be
whatever my
opening a
guided
fish
boomerang lands
restaurant
on,
and
they're the
animal company.
YouTuber.
I'm gonna be
Okay.
joining random servers, and when I join this random, and every time I join a random server, I will set up shop right
Hey, wait,
over there.
wait a sec.
Let's get into this
Wait, can
video.
I be a part of your YouTube channel? Can I be a part of your YouTube channel
You're
from
in the
now on?
video right now, bro.
Can I friend you? That way I can join you anytime I want.
Unfortunately not. I would, but I don't, like, I already have a bunch of friends and I wouldn't like to have too many. Like, you
Wait,
can
you do have a
friend
bunch
me.
of friends?
Like, you can friend me, but I just don't want people joining all the time. I'm trying to do something.
What is it?
That is a guided boomerang, old man.
So basically, what I'm doing is, I'm gonna go to the forest and get one of the best fish, like some of the, like, most normal fish in the game, you know. It'll always give you the small blue fish from this specific pond. Our goal is to basically get our fish from here. Now, sometimes it gives us an apple, a varying size. We just eat the apple. We're gonna go until we have a semi-full bag. Should this be a two-parter or no? Because, like, the fishing itself probably won't take too long as you're efficient at it. Like, look, we're already gonna get a fish. See? Make sure to carry your wind. It's easy to drop it. Drop it. Make sure to carry your wind. It's easy to drop it. Go, go, go. Everyone, come on, yo, for the fun. Go fishing. We're on a mission. We ocean that punches our dishing. A. Maybe one day I'll get the A in drip department. A. I understand why not people, and why not many people do, like, channels. It's hard to get subs, but as long as I have the few subs I have a pretty good community. What do you think is gonna be over here? Like, there must be something that's gonna be over here for them to add a random fishing spot in the forest. Like, yeah, it's pretty nice. But, like, okay, you know what? I don't even care that I'm fishing right now. What do you guys think is gonna be over here? In this area. Me personally, I think it's gonna be a map that leads into the fish tank, or the fish tank leads into a map that leads out here to a beautiful pond, and they'll, like, just make it so you can't access this area because it's sealed off or something until you go through there, but whatever. Maybe there's something like this behind the sealed door or in the farm and the Megalodon Lake. This is, what's your opinion on this, by the way? Do you think it's easier than getting turkey? I'm honestly surprised I got that. Okay. Now, guys, we need to lock in. Yes, I'm moving up and down. How'd you know? Anyways, do you think this area could use diamond fish? Like, it has a bunch of diamonds. Like, I mean, I get it's just mainly aesthetic, but like, I think this one might be an apple. Okay, we have enough aficionados to start cooking. I'll probably edit the parts together.
Okay, got
I don't know.
Got him.
I'm not gonna record 2 parts actually. Yeah. Okay, let's go on over to
Mr. Black, I got him.
Balloon just got boom. That's so funny. There's a balloon.
Okay. We're gonna put this fishing rod in there.
Give me a boomerang.
Yeah.
Fish up, cooked fish. And I will tell you everything you wish. Where to sit, where to eat, when to stay. Come on down.
Give me a
every
food.
day.
Give me a foot. Blue pug.
I can't give a foot, but I can give a fish.
Blue pug. Oh, give me a fish. I want a fish.
Okay, that is 1 copper, sir.
1 copper. You don't deserve that, buddy. You do not deserve that. No, you don't deserve
Copper
that.
is the least valuable.
Get out. Get out. Get out. You don't deserve it.
Copper's the least valuable resource in the game, actually.
You don't deserve it, Mr. Goat.
Either give me copper or give me your liver.
You rather give me that or I go boom boom.
Actually, how about you go boom boom? Wait, we said the same
I
thing.
really blood everybody if they don't give me a fish. So give me a fish and else you go boom boom.
Listen, sir, you gotta pay for the fish. I gotta cook it.
Are we even?
No.
Give me my fish.
I'm cooking it.
Okay.
That'll be 1 copper, sir.
1 copper? Alright, give me my fish first.
No.
Then just give me.
It's February, my friend.
Not
January. It's
February, my friend.
December. It's not even Christmas.
We know it's not Christmas. You think you're doing right?
Green is red, watch on top of the tree. Green is red, watch on top of the
Okay,
tree.
my fish is done. Who wants it?
Me!
Green is on top
That'll
of
be
the
1 copper.
Green is on top of the tree.
I'm not giving you a copper.
Then I'm not giving you a fish.
What do you want, little girl? Then I'm not killing you.
Then you're not killing me? Bet,
Green is
bro.
somewhere like the side of
No, little buddy, in the Discord, my friend.
Why?
Yikes.
Hold on, I'm not done preparing the fish. Now I need to actually take the fish over here, chop it up.
Yeah, you do, little bros. Green is kind of red.
Okay, sir, would you like to buy a fish for 1 copper?
Buy fish?
Here is green, but he isn't red much anymore.
Look, I'm not.
1 copper for 1 fish.
Hey guys, do you have any food up here? Do we have any food here? Did you
No, and I don't think you need any.
Yeah, bro, 1 copper for 1
Chill,
fish.
little bro. I got a present for you.
Okay, it's scary.
Guys,
Please
1
do
copper
not
for
squish
1
me.
fish. Or
Okay.
if no one buys the fish, I'm putting it in the void.
We're supposed to team up.
Oh yeah.
Buy the fish or it's going in here.
Are you trying
No,
to kill
you
me?
better get back here, Professor.
Yo,
Professor
bro,
Western,
buy
give me
the
a
fish or I'm
PG
putting it
gun.
in
Too
here.
big.
Professor so little. Oh, I'm not little anymore.
Come get me, Black.
You need a broccoli. Can I
Yo,
get a
bro,
broccoli?
I am the fish man. I give
I
fish.
don't like
Tell me
broccoli
everything you
cheese
wish.
the satellite.
Okay, looks like we gotta join a new
I
server.
Satellite twice that body it
Stop! It's time to go get some copper before I can get a fish. Gobble, gobble. Snail. I found Chubby a snail.
Looks like the last server was a total bust. Let's hope this server's better. Guys, who would like to buy a fish? One copper for one fish. Pumpkin.
Okay.
Guys, one copper for one fish. I'm getting tired. Okay. One copper for one fish, boys.
Well, go take a nap, guys.
Dude, my
Well, go take a nap. Well, go take a
One
nap if
copper
you're
for
tired.
one fish, pre-cooked, okay? This is my restaurant,
Can
my fish
someone give me
restaurant.
robot? I need a robot. I need a robot. I need a robot.
I got you.
We're in safe zone, idiot.
Thanks.
Yeah, but I just
Can I trust anybody to come fishing with
One
me?
copper
Please.
for one fish.
Damn.
I need to get my tip bag
I'm
out.
gonna head to Among Us 3D since this is
Hey, does anybody here with a sniper?
No, that was so funny. Give me another
Anybody want to be
one.
Spider-Man?
Oh.
Hey, dude who has to be Spider-Man, come here.
Yo, bro, one copper for one fish, okay?
Yeah?
I will give you a fish if you give me copper. Welcome to the Remy restaurant.
Hold on. I'm gonna save this.
What
Yo,
did you say?
One copper for one fish.
saving
Welcome
it.
to the Remy restaurant, where you get to.
What's a
where-
cobber? What's a cobber?
Copper.
Whoever wants to do my video,
What's
use
copper?
the code
Copper.
Okay.
One copper
right.
for one fish.
Where's my items?
Whoever wants to do a video, whoever wants to do my video, use the code TED.
Who wants to
Yo,
have
guys.
a Robo Monkey? Who wants to be a Robo? Who
One
wants to be
copper
Robo
for
Monkey?
one fish.
Oh. Okay. Press this
Whoever
button.
did
Press
my
this
video.
button.
Okay,
What's this
nobody
button, okay?
likes fish apparently. Lobby number 3. Okay, guys, we're gonna try to make some profit off of this server. Guys, one copper for one fish.
It would load out. I don't know what.
Guys, one copper for one fish.
Don't worry, bro.
One copper for one fish. Welcome to the Remy restaurant.
Can I have the controller? No,
Guys, I'm totally not recording a video where I try to open a restaurant. Totally.
What even are you?
Yeah,
Totally.
Anyways, one copper for one fish.
Put that in your stash right now, or I'm not gonna drop it.
Alright, I just need to get some money real quick. I need to get a... I'm currently, I have no jobs, so I'm...
Okay, well,
Bro,
Give me your RPG.
bro, you just need to go get
I need
copper, my
RPG.
guy.
I will. Okay, fine, I'll put it up.
My guy, it's copper.
Just take it off. He said take it off.
Yo, guys, I swear. You see, the thing is, I'm not mad. I'm just extremely disappointed I didn't make a single profit.
Guys, we won't ask.
Hello, everyone. This is welcome to the Remio restaurant. I serve 1 copper. What? Not 1 copper. You give me copper. I give you fish.
I'm joking.
Okay.
1 copper.
1 copper for 1 fish.
Oh.
Yeah, I have goop.
Can I give you some?
I'm gonna shit everyone.
Can I give you some goop?
No, only copper.
Oh, I'm back.
I'll take copper or I'll take copper or an activated teleport grenade.
What type of fish is this? I got a diamond.
I
What type
only
of
got
fish is
389.
I got a teleport grenade.
Activate it and put it in.
Can we work together to get some?
Guys,
Okay.
how do you, can you set
Or no,
Here's your
sell
fish.
Oh! You don't need
Coffee. I need my morning coffee.
Wait, can I?
Should have paid,
Can
bro.
I trade you? Can I trade you for the copper for a kissing? You didn't put me in Silver, Stumbo.
I got copper.
Copper for 1 fish. No fish for fish. I will take it though.
Guys, let me see. No, that fish is
Okay.
rare.
Okay. Oh wait. Now wait. Okay. Here's your fish. That's his.
No way I'm getting this. I need to.
Yo, babe. Thank you. Thanks for all the gifts.
Mr. Krabs.
Thanks for all the tips, bro.
You know what? You know, look up.
Dude, that reminds me of copper.
Thanks for the-
I have copper
thanks
in
for-
a PP head.
Do you? How much?
Where are you, Tiny?
3.
Okay, that's 3 fish.
Come in here.
Wait, no,
come in here.
it's just a tip, okay? Actually, I only serve 1 fish at a time. It's just a tip, alright? Thank you for the tip, bro.
Sacred treasure.
Everyone who's gonna do a giveaway.
Um,
feeding you.
this fish.
Okay.
Everyone who's gonna do a giveaway. Who's gonna do a giveaway?
Can somebody please help me get a fishing bait?
Is that an apple? Yo! No way, I have.
Remember, guys,
please help me
1
get a fish
copper
bait?
for 1 fish.
My fucking house.
Can somebody help me get a fishing bait?
Okay, now, guys, 1 copper, 1 fish. Copper goes in this bag. I take copper and
so you wanna mess with me like that, huh?
and
You wanna
activate
mess with me like that,
teleport grenades.
Oh! He wants to mess with me like
Can
that.
somebody please help me get a fishing bait?
What?
Technicality? Wait, are you a cat?
Can somebody please give me a fishing bait?
Hi. Hi.
But where are you?
I take copper and or activated teleport grenades, okay, guys? Alright, we probably ran this server for as much as we could. Alright.
Was there just a giveaway?
In total, what we made was all of this. Okay. So, life lesson, believe it or not, sell your fish, not to people, to the machine. We're gonna see how much money I made off of, like, 2 or 3 fish. I made money from copper and money from fish. We're gonna see how much money I made from all this. How much do the fish do? Just those 4 fish did. Not that much. But if you just went, okay. Now, life lesson. If you just go fishing, instead of selling your fish to people like I did, just sell your fish on their own. Probably worth more than what people will give you. And the only reason it was worth that much was because I got a heartfish. So, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you possibly in 5 seconds, possibly in 5 hours. Anyways, bye!